I gotta stay high just to get by. Yeah, I need more weed just for me. I gotta stay high.
So I roll it up, cause this life is fast. So I slow it up, and that holds me down when I'm going up. Yeah, I need the loud when I'm low as fuck. Someone tell my hood I've been blowing up, and I ain't forgot how we growing up. So I keep it G, never change it up, but I switch the whip, how to range it up. Middle fingers up, middle fingers up to anybody in this game that hated us, and everybody in my lane, you lame as fuck. Last of the real, yeah, I'm in danger, cuz middle fingers up, middle fingers up. If you ain't believing nothing they saying to us, if you on your grind and you had it rough, put your problems down, get your lighters up.
I gotta stay high just to get by. Yeah, I need more weed just for me. I gotta stay high.
They want me down, but I can't be stopped. Man, I own the town. You can keep the hate, I just want the love. I don't need the fame, I just need the drug. Is you really with us? Is you really with us? Was you willing to split the pennies until we get bucks? When we was chilling in the city before all the buzz, was you really with us? Was you really with us? So keep the weed lit like Vic, the tree with me like leaves and sticks. I CC the whole industry, one big email zip with 25 pictures on my dick. Since all y'all wanna hang, fuel the hype train, steal what I do, put it in y'all's name. This ain't the blues, this ain't a song, I speak the truth, pass me the bone. Man, I gotta stay
high just to get by.